Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, we definitely are back into all-time highs, but I'm still not really convinced that it's over. It may be getting close to being over, but we're talking about close on the weekly and the monthly, so definitely still could be a few months, I think, before this is actually really over. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we are approaching a Fibonacci level, which is definitely going to be an area of resistance. So I think that it is likely that we could get a pullback pretty soon. But until we actually do get a break of structure, which at this point I kind of feel like it needs to make a 3, a 4, and a 5 like that. Once it does that, then I will be convinced that the wave 5 is over, and I definitely will start sorting this thing in a big way. But it hasn't happened yet, and there's no guarantee it's going to even stop here. It could easily just go up to a higher Fibonacci level. We have to remember that these yen pairs have been in at least a 4-year uptrend as of now, and trying to identify the end of a 4-year uptrend may be a losing battle. Going down to the daily time frame, definitely don't really look over to me. And honestly, if this is a 1, 2, 3, which it looks like it is, then a wave 3 actually should be quite a bit bigger than that, which is why I say that it could just keep on trending up, especially looking at the yen pairs. A lot of the yen pairs look like they do have a lot of upside potential left. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs based on the information I just said on the higher time frames. We are going down right now, and it does kind of seem pretty likely that we would make at least a 38% pullback, which is actually great news to me, because if it does do that, then I'm going to go long. And then if it goes up and respects this 100%, goes down and breaks structure, that's what's going to turn me into a seller. Otherwise, if it just makes a normal bounce but doesn't break structure and continues to make higher lows, I'll just continue to look for longs every single chance I get until these higher time frames tell me otherwise, which you definitely should be able to recognize when a trend is over if you learn how to read the markets. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely very sideways, kind of drifting down a little bit. It does kind of seem pretty likely to me that it would make at least a 38 or possibly a 23% pullback. So if you are like a short time frame trader, maybe you could be looking for sorts. I don't personally look for counter trend trades like this because there's no guarantee it's even going to do that. I mean, it could easily just keep on drifting up from here. If you are a short time frame trader, you could definitely maybe get some sorting opportunities, but I personally would still be looking for longs, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames, at least until we get a break of structure on the 4 hour time frame and up. I am definitely looking for longs every single chance I get at the end of every single pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.